Welcome to this short video on transforming your home's exterior with up and down lights. My name is Karen Smith. I'm the owner and one of the electricians at Brightspark Electrical Services. Today I'm going to show you a little bit more about up and down lights for the exterior of your home. These lights not only enhance beauty but also functionality to your outdoor space. Let's explore how you can illuminate your home to create a stunning and secure outdoor environment. Up and down lights are designed to cast light both upwards and downwards, highlighting any architectural features on your home. They add depth and elegance, making your home stand out, especially at night. But that's not all. They are also improving safety and determining intruders, and are energy efficient, helping you to save on electricity bills. Ready to get started? Here are some steps. Evaluate your exterior. Identify key areas where lighting will create the most impact. Select the best fittings. Match the style and features of the lights to your home's design. Plan for the installation. Decide on, is it DIY or consult us for a proper installation. Consider maintenance. You've got to choose durable materials to withstand weather elements and schedule regular maintenance checks. While up and down lights are a great choice for many, it is important to consider factors like light pollution. Ensure your lighting choices comply with regulations and minimize any negative impact. Also, think about the long-term upkeep of your fittings. Keep them looking and functioning their best. With these insights and tips, you're well on your way to creating a beautifully illuminated exterior to your home. Whether you're looking to enhance curb appeal or boost security, up and down lights are a versatile solution that can meet your needs. Are you ready to brighten up your home's exterior with up and down lights? Give us a call, send us an email or a text, and we can talk you through this and perhaps even come and carry out a short survey to evaluate what is required. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.